Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are doing an unboxing and it is the AIA box beauty bundle. It is the American Influencer beauty bundle. And this box...
It was AIA. What's the second A for?
I think it's American Influencer Awards.
Oh, okay. That's right. You said that before.
And this is a monthly subscription. It is about $38 a month, $39 if you buy the insurance.
So then it'll show up like every month or so?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Each month they collab with a beauty brand. It could be makeup, it could be hair.
Could be squalane.
Could be skincare. Could be skincare. And let's go ahead and see who they have collabed with this month. Okay. Looks like hair care. It is the brand Chi. What we have right there, I will give this to you. Your job is to read.
Oh, okay.
Okay, sometimes you forget that.
I can do that. Will I, though? All right.
Okay. First, it looks like we don't have a lot in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Okay. First, we have these 2 things here. It is the Chi or Chai. I don't know how to say it. I don't buy the products. The products are really expensive. The Chi Hydrate Care for intense hydration, the hydrating shampoo, and the hydrating conditioner. And it is sulfate and paraben free, made in the USA. How's that? Let's see what it smells like.
The clarifying shampoo deeply cleanses hair and scalp to remove buildup without stripping hair of natural oils. Purifies hair and restores needed moisture to leave hair squeaky, clean, and refreshed. Our exclusive collection of natural hair care includes shampoos that promote healthy hair. Meanwhile, the Hydrate Care Hydrating Conditioner, using natural ingredients, gentle formula, nourishes and hydrates hair for total repair and strength.
Okay, the conditioner smells okay. It smells like conditioner. Okay,
but does it smell too conditioner-y?
The conditioner did not have a seal on it, but the shampoo does. Can somebody tell me why? Okay, it smells good. I've seen other people open this box and say it smelled amazing. It doesn't smell amazing to me. It smells like...
I mean, saying something is amazing is really a pretty high bar. It's like, you're like,
it smells like any drugstore shampoo that you buy. Really? Okay. The next thing I see is the Chi Infra Silk Infusion.
Infra Infusion.
Silk Reconstructing Complex. Paraben free, made in the USA.
Chi Silk Infusion is a reconstructing complex product enriched with silk, wheat, and soy proteins that will revitalize and help strengthen the hair. Its lightweight formula restores hair to its healthiest state by providing incredible softness, manageability, and shine without buildup like so many other products. With this product, you will be able to manage frizz and static.
Manage frizz and static.
Now, manage, comma, frizz, comma, and static. So you can manage, you can frizz, or you can static. The choice is up to you.
Okay, how do you use this? I'm interested.
Put in your hair, it says. Apply a small amount to palm of hand and work evenly throughout the hair. Leave in and proceed with styling.
Okay.
So it's a leave-in conditioner.
Okay. So it's a conditioner?
It's a conditioner.
I see. Okay. All right, I'm interested to try.
Have you ever frizzed or static? I've heard it's exciting.
I do frizz.
My hair frizzes, but I don't think that's a good thing, though. And it does it just fine on its own.
Let me see that. I will be able
Eat
to...
shoots and leaves.
Okay, what is this? Gift card. Here's your $25 Chi gift card on us. Claim this reward with promo code when you shop on W. Are they serious? That is our 5th product. A $25 gift card.
But that has a $25 value, you know. All right, let's move on to the last physical item here.
I don't want a $25 gift card. Because I'm going to end up buying more than $25 worth of stuff. They know that because all their stuff is freaking expensive.
Well, of course. And as we know, that's how they get you.
How much was?
It is not listed.
They don't tell the prices?
Yes, no, it is in the little text. So the Hydrate Care one was $16, the other one is $16, and the Silk Infusion is $19.75.
Okay. So
and now
we have this.
The Chi eco-friendly comb set. This 7-piece 100% biodegradable combs are made from compostable plant-based plastic that is derived from corn. Ideal for salon and home use. These combs are heat resistant up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit and are tough on tangles but gentle on your hair and scalp. That's a very specific number, isn't it? Not 249, just 248.
I like this
exactly.
one. We can replace the one in the shower with this one because I want a handle on the one in the shower.
But if it gets wet, will it start to biodegrade?
I don't know. I don't foresee myself using this one.
These combs are made from compostable plastic.
These two look the same. No, I guess they're not. I'll have those two. Do you foresee yourself using any of this?
Well, maybe. I can use a good comb sometime.
I could use one of these out of the shower too.
Yeah.
I like this one.
Yeah. So give me one of those. Make one of these ones in the middle here, or maybe that one with the handle. That one with the handle. Oh, that's the big one. No, I want the medium one. Here, I could go for that.
This one, I could use that one.
Okay, that's all. That's all I wanted to share.
So you're just gonna keep that one?
Yeah, I like that one.
So it comes in this nice pouch.
3. It's got a little bit of bend to it, but not very much.
They seem a little flimsy. Like, I don't know if it can handle my hair or not. Not that my hair is real strong or anything like that, but
I find it's interesting that they never specify like how long it would take to biodegrade.
Yeah.
It could be like 10,000 years for all we know.
I gotta say, I'm not a big fan of hair care products. I like what I like, and I don't like this $25 gift card because I don't want to have to go spend $25 on hair care products or spend more than $25 on hair care products. I guess I will look at their website. I guess.
Reluctantly look at their website.
Yeah, let me throw that over there.
Makes me so angry that I just want to static.
I'm froze.
I mean, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just, that's the way it makes me feel.
Let me know what you think of this box. I should have just skipped this month as soon as I found out who it was. But, because you can do that with this. With this box. You can skip a month here and there. And anyway.
And tell us in the comments if you enjoy frizzing and staticking and or
managing.
And and if so, what they are exactly. Because I'm not entirely sure.
And if you eat shoot and leave.
That's right.
Okay. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm sorry, something just came up on my screen and I started reading it out loud. Okay. Leave us a comment down below, and even if you don't do any of that, we are just so happy that you are watching us today.
We're ecstatic.
If you are new here, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell, setting it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. And we hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you all of those good vibes. Okay.
Also, we'd like to announce that as of this video is now 100% biodegradable.
It is.
Yeah.
Okay. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. Don't know what we're doing tomorrow.
No one does, really.
Okay. All right. Thanks for watching, and stay well until then. Goodbye.